Hello, everyone.
Hi, friends. Welcome back.
Welcome back to your English practice time.
Yes, today we will learn something very useful.
Very, very useful.
Yes, today's topic is asking for directions.
Asking for directions.
How to ask and how to understand.
Because sometimes you are lost.
Yes, sometimes we are all lost.
So don't worry. Today, we will help you.
We will speak slowly.
We will use simple English.
And we will repeat important phrases.
So you can listen.
And speak with us.
Before we start,
Please like this video.
and subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us.
And helps you learn more English. Okay, Alice, imagine this.
Okay.
You're in a new city.
Oh no, I'm already nervous.
Yes, and you want to go to a cafe.
Yes, I want coffee.
But you don't know where it is.
What do I say?
Very simple. You can say, "Excuse me, where is the cafe?"
Ah, simple. Excuse me, where is the cafe?
Good. Say again.
Excuse me, where is the cafe?
Very good.
Excuse me is important.
Yes. Always say excuse me first.
It is polite.
Very polite.
Now you try. Imagine you want to find a bank. What do you say?
You can say, "Excuse me, where is the bank?"
Good job.
There is another way to ask.
Oh, really?
Yes, you can say, "Can you help me?"
Oh, I like that.
Then say your question.
Example?
"Can you help me? Where is the station?"
Ah, very natural. Okay, now I ask,
Yes.
but I don't understand the answer.
Yes, this happens a lot.
So what do people say?
People may say, "Go straight."
Go straight.
It means don't turn.
Just go forward.
Yes, just go forward. Next, turn left.
Turn left.
Left side.
Not right.
Yes, not right. And turn right.
Turn right.
Right side.
Not left.
Good.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Where is the supermarket?
Go straight, then turn left.
Go straight, then turn left.
Yes, the supermarket is next to the bank.
Ah, thank you.
You're welcome.
What about next to?
Good question. Next to means beside.
Close.
Very close.
Example?
The cafe is next to the bank. Now it's time to practice real conversation.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Where is the supermarket?
Go straight, then turn left.
Go straight, then turn left.
Yes, the supermarket is next to the bank.
Ah, thank you.
You're welcome.
But David,
Yes?
sometimes people speak fast.
Oh, yes, very fast.
Too fast.
So what can you say?
Yes, what can I say?
You can say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?"
Very useful.
Now, let's practice real conversation.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Go straight, then turn right.
Go straight, then turn right?
Yes, it is next to the school.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now your turn. Imagine you want to find a hospital. What do you say?
Excuse me, where's the hospital?
Great job. David, sometimes I say. Where cafe is?
Ah, small mistake.
Oops.
Correct sentence. Where is the cafe?
Ah, yes.
Great job today.
You did very well.
Now you can ask for directions.
Keep practicing every day.
Before we go,
Tell us in the comments.
have you ever been lost?
Where were you?
What did you say?
We want to read your answers.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Keep practicing English.